What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my whole entire study table. So this is how it looks before. Very dirty. So let me clean it up. I'm done guys, so this is my table. So yeah, it's way better. The reason was because these dryers over here, right, were full of other stuff. So yeah, peace.